Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with Windows Activations error code 0xC004F215 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this error 0xC004F215 usually occurs during the course of attempting to activate Windows after making significant changes to the hardware and related where Windows fails to validate a digital license or product key. 0xZ004F215 error caused by Activations server cannot match the license with the system current configurations, especially when the hardware is upgraded or replaced. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa troubleshoots, under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa most frequent, under nito ay kailangan mo lang i-select yung network and internet. At dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung run. And then wait natin. So madadirect tayo dito sa help and support. So andito lahat yung step-by-step procedures and method na pwede natin gawin para ma-fix yung problem. Okay, so after dito, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to perform the services. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung services. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa services at services local, so dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down at i-locate natin yung software protections. Okay, so once na-locate mo na yung software protection, so ang gagawin natin dito is to restart. Kung paano ba yan gawin, so click mo lang siya and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung restart mga kaibigan. Okay, and next step, so click mo lang dito yung properties, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa kanyang properties, dito lang sa general, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung automatic, and then dito sa service status, ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung start and wait natin. And then next step, ay dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung okay. And after dito sa services, and other solution na pwede natin gawin, so dito lang ulit sa search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings, and i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito lang sa left side menu and then select mo lang dito yung system. At dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and then select mo lang dito yung activations. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa activations and then kailangan mo lang i-click yung arrow na yan dito sa upgrade your editions of Windows. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then dito sa kanyang change product key, at dito lang sa right side, kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung change. And then pop up itong enter product key. Alright? So ang gagawin natin dito is to enter mo lang yung correct or valid Windows product key. So i-type mo lang dito sa baba. And then kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung next. And then i-follow mo lang yung kanyang step-by-step procedure. Alright? So after dito, and then close lang natin yan. At dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix error code 0xC004F215 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.